The Bible says that blessed is the hand that gives, than the one that receives.
As part of our 80 years celebration, the organization decided to rehabilitate a number of boreholes, and Thatha High School has been selected as one of the beneficiaries of this program. And for that, we are very grateful that we are able to get this school, and we hope that, one, your sanitation levels will increase.
Maisha sasa rais, usaf, kupish, asante.
When you came for the first time, I don't think it was you, there is a group that came first in December or towards the end of November. I was here. We could not believe it. Madam Principal was around and Madam Modi. We were really excited. We were told to wait for a few months so that you can come and install the pump. We did not give up, and when you came last week but one, we were really excited. And you can see the students, they are clean, they have showered, they have washed their skirts and their blouses and their trousers. We've had great issues with water in the past.
I don't know where we could have been because in the past, our source of water was only at the Catholic Church, where we are sharing the same water with the livestock for the church and also a primary school, that is Bishop Kyoko Primary School. So sometimes we could find that we could not get enough for our students to wash their classrooms. We could go for weeks without washing the dormitories due to acute water shortage.
We really want to appreciate you for choosing to do this with us, to do this corporate social responsibility activity here with us. We know there are so many schools in Machakos and even beyond in Kitui, where I come from Kitui, and we have true problems with water. We want to appreciate you. Tutapanda cabbage, tutapanda spinach. Maisha yatakuwa mazuri huku baba. We are quite hardworking, and we really know how to plan ourselves.
Davis and Shirtliff, as we are marking our 80 years in operation, we are also leaving a mark behind. When you see those solar panels, that is the mark of Davis and Shirtliff.